Hey guys, Lightning here, back with another video. Today we're doing the bullet journal for July. Again, for the most part, this is just going to be a speed draw. Most pages were done before, so, yeah, we're going to jump right into it. So, stage 1, I'm just going to go ahead and do the first page with you guys. I'm going to do the ombre effect on the July, color my butterfly, and do a simple ring for the month. So, that being said, I'm going to go ahead and just speed draw the rest of it. You've seen all of the stages at this point, so there's no real point in me going through every single step and teaching, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So this is the color set for July. Again, it's summer, so I feel like the blue coloration really kind of matches the theme of like the beach and such that you kind of see during the summer. So thought this would be a good color scheme. Unlike June, it has the purples rather than the blue, and it's more blue and purple rather than having that greenish tinge. So yeah, there's the colors. Let's get started.